What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Dustin with Jersey Shore Drainage Solutions, and today we're going to be preventing another yard from flooding by running out their downspouts to the street, and we have to install a recharge system around their pool. So come on, let's take a look at what we got going on. And around the back here, we're going to be having this downspout shoot into the recharge system that has to start about halfway in the fence, all the way around the whole perimeter of the pool. It's going to be about a foot deep and 3 feet wide, as per the engineering drawing. So we're going to have all this is going to be basically a dry well around the entirety of the pool, because eventually they're going to have pavers and everything come out, and you want to make sure all the water runoff has somewhere to go into the trenches instead of the neighbor's yard. So same with this downspout, it's going to run right over here and tie into this side of the recharge system. So let's get to digging. Here we go. Now the recharge system has been dug out. We are 3 feet wide, over 12 inches deep. We'll know exactly what our height is after I put my 2x12s in there. I'm going to have that braced against the fence post so that way the panels don't end up bursting out and breaking into the neighbor's yards. Now I have to dig the downspouts to tie into this as well. They'll be doing the front or the back left and the back right downspout will be going into each side of the recharge system. This will also serve as when he goes to backwash his pool, he'll be able to stick the evac line straight into the clean out I have at the Y, and that'll pump it straight into the recharge system, so that way all the water will stay on his property. Now to dig out the downspouts. All right, and now I have the downspouts dug out. Everything is going to be running straight into the recharge system on both sides. This way, whatever he does in the future, whether he pavers, grass, or whatever, it's not going to be flooding on top of his yard. It'll be going directly into the recharge system that is around the entire pool. Now to pipe. And here we go. We have the back right of the house done now. The downspout is piped straight into where the recharge system is. So that way all this water, when it's raining, everything comes down, goes straight into the recharge system. And then this also doubles as the ability to backwash. When you need to backwash your pool, you got your pool pump right here, you just shove your flex line, or you could even hard line it straight into the clean out right there. So every time you got to do it, all you have to do is put the hose in there and it'll go straight into the recharge system. That way you're not having to lug the hose across the yard and everything. As you can see, we have it completely downhill to level here. Same thing all the way down to here. It's completely downhill to level. And then we have the bubble in half, but it doesn't matter because all that head pressure and stuff anyways is just going to shove it straight into the recharge system. So now time to backfill this side. And here we go. We have the back left of the house now piped up. As you can see, we are all the way downhill. So as soon as the water comes down at all, hits the pipe, it's going to shoot exactly into the recharge system. So that way it's not flooding his yard. It's not rolling over, going to his neighbor's yard. So this is exactly how it's done. Now I have to form up around the outside of the recharge system to keep from the fence from bowing out with all the rock in it. All right, and then to backfill the downspout. And here we go. Now that the recharge system is completely dug out, I have the wood bracing up against all the posts, so that way when I put in all this rock, it won't bow out the fence. The trench is over a foot deep in some spots, but it is what it is, and we have it 3 feet wide. This is exactly what was required for this recharge system. Each recharge system is different. Now to get the filter cloth in and rocking. All right, and now we have it all filter clothed up. Border is up. Downspouts are running. And everything is ready for rock. And I'm pretty sure it's going to take about between 10 and 15 tons of rock will be going here. So let's get started. And here we go. Here's the finished product. Recharge system is completed. We have 2x12s along the side, bracing the fence, so none of this rock will end up pushing through any panels. The trench is 3 feet wide, and it had to be at least a foot deep, and in a lot of places it's more than a foot deep, but that's just how it ended up being. So it's sufficient enough. This is to the specs that were required by the engineers. And this is how it looks like right now. In the end, when everything's done, they're going to get some bigger river rock, like 2 to 4 inches, maybe even bigger. after they get their concrete around, and then be able to just slope this a little bit. That's why the filter cloth's still here. Take out what you need, river rock slope all the way down to make it all complete and look really nice. Another job well done by Jersey Shore Drainage Solutions. As always, like, share, comment, subscribe, and until the next one.